Welcome students. In this class we will learn how exactly to format this given data. Now if you can clearly see the first name, the middle name and the last name along with the email, they're all being given as a single column. In other words, all this information are just placed in this fashion which cannot be used for our Excel operations. So the best way that we have to or we can use this data is to first get them formatted in the forms of columns, appropriate columns. So to do that, we have a simple Excel trick. Foremost, what we need to do is we need to select this data which is given in a single column. Then we go and select data here, and after selecting data, go to text to column. Make sure delimited is selected because all the items, the data items, are separated by means of a comma. So that is the delimiter here. So now you click next, and then when you see this dialog box, usually tab would also be selected, or sometimes space would also be there as a checked in box. Make sure to uncheck them and check comma, because if you see the data, the items are separated by means of a comma. So this is how Excel is going to give us the output: first name, middle name, last name, email, and this is exactly what we wanted. So now you press next. Now this gives us the option to get the data displayed. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to select from this cell and then click enter, and then you click finish. So clearly if you can see that the data has been sorted as first name, middle name, last name along with the email. So now we can use this data set to perform our operations.